The last topic of the chapter AP is sum of first n terms of an AP. We have to find the sum of the series. Let us take an example. Find the sum of first natural numbers up to 100. Here is sum s equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 99 plus 100. Now again reverse the series. 100 plus 99 plus 98 up to 2 plus 1. The series, the sum of the series natural numbers from 1 to 100. Adding these two, we get sum of 2s 101 plus 101 plus up to 101 plus the sum of each term is 100. It means how many terms in this series? 101 into 100. There are 100 terms. S equal to 101 into 100 by 2. By cancel 50. The sum is series this. This is the problem we have to use to find the formula of sum of the series. Like the series is A plus D, A plus 2D, etc. And the last term is A plus n minus 1 into D. We are finding the sum of this series. Right, S equal to A plus 2D and the last term A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the last term of the series. Here is the n terms. Again S, reversing the order. A plus n minus 1 into D. And second last term will be A plus n minus 2 into D. And last term here is A plus D and last term is A. On reversing the series, adding these two, we get adding term wise, first term and first term, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. The sum of first term of each series. Again adding second term and second term, 2A plus n minus 1 into D, and so on. And last term we have to add 2A plus n minus 1 into D. And in these terms, how many times? The number of terms is n. So multiplied n into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Here is 2s. So sum of the series s equal to n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula of sum of this. Again n by 2, if we write A plus n minus 1 into D. The formula becomes, if you know the last term, then we can use the formula. This is the formula for an, for the last nth term. Last term, and again you can write the formula A plus L. The same thing, nth term or the last term of the series. Here are the two formula you can use. First, 2A plus n minus 1 into D, n by 2. Second, n by 2 A plus an, or third, n by 2 A plus L. This is the formula for sum of the series up to n terms. This is the exercise 5.3 of your NCERT book. Find the sum of the following AP. So you can take here A, D and N clearly. A equal to 2, D equal to 7 minus 2, 5 and N equal to 10. You can just put in the formula. You will get the sum of the series. Find the sum. Same thing. First term is 7. Second term is 10.5 minus 7, 3.5, plus last term is 84. The formula, you have to find the n in this series. Number of terms, we don't know how many terms in this series, so we have to find n. So how you will get the n? This is the last term, a and d. An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. From this formula you have to get. See, I am solving here one problem. A equal to 7, d equal to 10 whole means 10.5, and an equal to 84. These are to given. So we have to find the n by the formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. 84 equal to a is 7, n minus 1 into d. 10.5, d equal to 10.5 minus 7 equal to 3.5. So d is 7 by 2. 3.5 is 7 by 2. You have to solve. 84 minus 7, n minus 1 into 7 by 2. Subtracting 77, cross multiply into 2 by 7 equal to n minus 1. By cancelling 11, 22 plus 1 equal to n equal to 23. The using formula sum of the series, Sn equal to n by 2 a plus l. 23 by 2, the first term is 7 and last term is 84. You can solve, you will get the answer. In question number 3, here I have to give in the a, d, an, etc. Find this. You can find by using formulas, sum of the series and nth term of the AP. You can solve all these questions with the help of these two formulas. Question number 4. How many terms of the AP 9, 7, 25 must be taken to give a sum of 636? Here is given a, d, 17 minus 9 and sum. You have to find the n from the formula Sn equal to a plus n by 2 a plus a 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And similarly, so many questions you have to solve with the use of this formula. There is a new question for this. Question number 10. Show that a1, a2, an form an AP where an is an equal to 3 plus 4n. An equal to n9 minus 5n. Also find the sum of the first 15 terms in each case. An equal to 3 plus 4n. An equal to 3 plus 4n. Putting n equal to 1. Then a1 equal to 3 plus 4 into 1. It means first term is 7. a2 second term 3 plus 4 into 2. 8 3 11. a3 3 plus 4 into 3 15. The series becomes 7 11 15 dot. Here a equal to 7, d equal to 11 minus 7 equal to 4, and an equal to given. Here is the find the sum of 15 terms. You have to find the sum of 15 terms. N equal to 15. 15 by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 15 by 2, 14 plus 14 4 ja 56. 35 into 15. 525. The sum of first 15 terms is 525. You can find the number 2 by this same method of the series. Thank you.